Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use Google Play Store without signing into your Google account. Actually, there's an alternative for Google Play Store, basically an open source Google Play Store that have all the apps you need. You can use this store without signing into your Google account. Let me show you how to do that. So download and install Aurora Store. I'm going to put the link in the description. This is basically an open source Google Play Store that has all the app you need. Download and install it. Then open it. Click on next. You have to grant all the necessary permissions. Grant the installer permissions. Don't worry, this app is safe. Grant the storage permissions. Background download permission. Notification permission. And app link permission. Click on finish. Now it will take you to the startup screen. You have two options. You can sign into your Google account or use this store anonymously. Now click on anonymous. It will request a new session. And now you have Google Play Store without actually installing your Google account. You can download any app you want. So that's how you use Google Play Store without signing into your Google account. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.